Hey everyone, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. As you can notice, I am in tweed. Yes, this is a double Chanel unboxing, but I'm in tweed. I would feel more comfortable in my blazer, but I've come to the conclusion that I have lost it. It has my 19K winter snowfall CC brooch on it. I have not let it go. My husband is like, you gotta let it go. So today's double unboxing is really exciting actually. Two items. One is a handbag, which I got from one of my personal shoppers, which I will share with you below. All of the links for anything that I am wearing or anything I show, if it's not sourceable, I will have a version of it, most probably from Fashionfile, linked below, because they are the most current, recent consignment stores in the world. It came all the way from the USA. So here is a shopping bag. It is still the old kind of shopping bag. I have had a few DMs about this. Yes, I know. The world is going recyclable, resourceful. Let's look at, take care of our footprint. So there's really nothing you can do about it. But they have turned their glossy, high luxe bags into recyclable paper bags. I know it's not luxe, but they're trying to do their part. I don't know if their boxes are gonna go that way as well, into like a paper bag. But here's our box and let's get into it. Camellia and ribbon. So beautiful. So here we go, magnetic box, beautiful. We have our care booklet and dusting cloth is in there. Follow me on Instagram. You may know what this bag is. I have not had this style in my collection ever. And I wanted to get my hands on it. Oh my god, it's so cute. It is so cute. And when I say cute, I mean cute. So this is the Chanel small Coco handle, aka mini. The luxe community or the internet community call it mini, or we suggest it's mini, and then we say small, but it's really small, medium, and then they used to have a large, which is discontinued. And the way you can tell the sizes is counting the quilts. On most Chanel bags, that's the best way you tell the size, is by counting the quilts. The way I tell the size with Coco handles is the handle. You can see how narrow this handle is, like it's tiny, it's petite. One on the medium is much wider, a lot more of an arch, like it's a wider arch, and you can really tell the difference. So this is the 20K, the current collection that is out at the moment. It has all of the tags. I love buying from my personal shoppers because they get tags. In Australia, they take our tags off mostly. I don't know, maybe your SA doesn't. So what is so gorgeous about this, which is my favorite, is I love shiny champagne gold hardware or light gold hardware. I love it. It is my favorite hardware. I am probably not the biggest fan of ruthenium. I mean, I have my boy bag and that has ruthenium. However, I feel like this bag is so much more ladylike than the boy is obviously very masculine. So I feel like ruthenium suits it. Whereas on these bags, like the ruthenium and even the aged gold hardware, I feel like they're a bit too like kind of casual or rough and tumble. Whereas the shiny champagne gold is, guys, it's to die for. So the details of this bag is that, yes, it is the small, it is in caviar leather, which is cowhide leather stamped with the small caviar type grain, and it has the top handle, it has the iconic pocket on the back there. I've just slipped the tags in it. On the top, the two top like grommets around the top handle, it has a 31 Rouquin Bond, which is so gorgeous. An earlier addition to this Coco handle, whatever size, couldn't detach the strap, the long strap that comes with it. However, they did in turn in years to come have clips, so I'll show you that. So we have our beautiful felt. Oh, she has everything so perfect. And it's exactly like shopping from a boutique. with personal shoppers. So here is our strap. It would not be crossbody on me at all. However, if you are more petite, it could crossbody on you. You have your beautiful leather break on top, which I love that. There is our beautiful champagne gold hardware that is just so luxe and just so beautiful. This is what I meant by detachable. The original design of this wasn't detachable. However, now they've made clasps that hook on like so, and they've got a CC logo on them, which is lovely. So really great attention to detail. So you can detach the strap if you just want to have it handheld, like, you know, obviously a little bag, go out at night. This is a classic, or what I call classic, like my classic collection, which is most usually caviar, but it can also be in lambskin. I have my key holder in lambskin, but I call it classic when it has a burgundy interior. So this is a cotton drill, a fabric burgundy interior, and the layout of a Coco handle I think is beautiful. And I did part with my Lulu Saint Laurent bag in order to purchase Chanel. That was the reason. I did part with that, and it was in the medium size, but it's the same layout as a Coco handle, and this is honestly one of the best handbag layouts. Truthfully, it really is. So you have a larger compartment. Then there is a divider, but this divider has a little slip pocket in it. So, you know, you could put your license or your most used debit card there. And then you have another, not as big as the front, but another compartment in the back there. And then, as always, mostly on a Chanel bag, on the back wall, you get a zipper pocket as well. We have our authenticity. It is a 30 series. There is the card, and then our made in is just there, and it is made in Italy. The Chanel Paris there, and all in champagne gold hardware. It's got the sticker on right now, but that is the CC Turnlock in champagne gold hardware. And then if you are a feet lover, because I know there are a lot of girls and guys out there who like feet on their bags, okay? So I will leave her links below, but that is from my gorgeous LUXXLOVER. There are many different Instagram personal shoppers and personal shoppers out there who, you know, through the Facebook groups and things like that. There are trusted ones, and there are some maybe not trusted ones. There has been a few different videos lately on scamming and Instagram scamming at that, and it is so hard. I would love to sit here and tell you how to get around it, but do you know what? I don't have the answers. I told you I was going to do my eBay scam and fraud video, and I do want to do it. I'm thinking of taking the high road, okay? I'm not thinking of like burying this seller and just making sure that they, you know, never breathe again, even though there's a lot of hatred, okay? And that's a strong word, but you just feel horrible. And anyone out there who's gone through it, and there's a lot of you, anyone out there who, you know, is going through it right now. I was speaking to one of my old essays the other day from Louis Vuitton, and she got scammed. Like, she got scammed selling one of her own things, and she just did it through her sister's eBay. So it's just the worst feeling in the pit of your stomach, and I know it. So you are not alone. Let's finish off with this guy. I'm quite excited to show you this purchase. One of those spare of the moment purchases. I was out in the city the other day. If you follow me on Instagram and you follow my stories, which you should, my link is always below to Instagram, I am giving this away. I'm telling you in the middle of this video right now. That is going to be the marker, 200k on Instagram. When I hit it, whenever I hit it, I'm holding on to this baby. It is not used. I don't use it. It just sits behind me, which you see. I'm giving this away. This is a Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, and I'm giving it away at 200,000 followers on Instagram. So if you don't follow me, you should. And if you do, you would have seen that I was shopping with my niece in the city the other day. It was her 21st birthday, and my husband and I and our family gifted her a Cartier ring, a love ring. She was so blown away. Unfortunately, it was the wrong size, so my SA said definitely come back in and try on the right size. I do want to do like a 101 Cartier video, buying, my thoughts, what you can do, that sort of thing. What do you think? Do you guys want to see? Comment below if you want to see something like that. So here it is, gorgeous, so gorgeous. I know so many of you say, like, we just want to unbox a Chanel box because it looks so beautiful. If it looks beautiful on camera, guys, it is so beautiful in person. It really is. There is no packaging that beats Chanel. Other than Dior, maybe, they're kind of level, just in their beautiful presentation. Hair booklets. Are you ready? It's clearly an SLG, but are you ready? The finish. Oh my gosh. Wow! The light's doing it justice. Oh my god. Let me tilt it up like this. It turns green. Can you guys see that? Okay, this finish is just insane. It is mad. I don't know if I'm even capturing it because of the ring lights, because of all of the lights in this studio. However, even if I turn them off, which I just had a look, it doesn't capture it either. Hype of iridescent. I don't even feel like it's a finish to the leather, but it's nothing like my pink iridescent. It's nothing like that. Firstly, it's a lambskin. There is no grain to it. So I'm definitely sure it's a lambskin. I'm pretty sure. So this is the brand new purple iridescent. This is in the flat card holder and it has champagne gold hardware. It really has these crazy kind of colors. This purple comes in, I think it comes in the medium flap. So the way I found out about it straight away was Miss LUXXLOVER. She puts up all the pre-collections that are coming and I was like, oh my god, I want it in like the zip O. I was talking to Miss Jen G, my best friend here on YouTube, and she wanted to get the medium flap. I don't know if she's got it yet. I asked her if she's going to look into it. But my god, this is just crazy. Let me go ahead and give you prices for things. So for the bag, it was in USD. So it came in with fees, I think it came in around 5,000 US dollars shipped and everything with fees. So, I mean, you know, whether that's the same as in Australia, you can't get them at the moment in the boutique, so it's irrelevant. Flat card holder comes in at 590 Australian dollars, which is so interesting because my patent card holder came in at 600, I think. So that's down by 10 for an iridescent leather, which is really interesting. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this double unboxing. Sorry if it was way too chatty. Please go and follow me on Instagram, because we want to reach 200,000 followers. I'm giving away a Nano Speedy to you guys because I love and adore you, and thank you so much for your forever support for the million years I've been on YouTube. And subscribe to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below, guys. I would super appreciate that. If you like this double unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. If there are any other videos you'd like to see, like the 101 Cartier, please let me know in the comments below. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing well. Thanksgiving is coming up overseas. I hope you enjoy your time over that holiday with your family. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.